shabby. So in this video, we will learn VTP using 4 Cisco switches. One switch will be a server, client, and transparent, and an extra client. I will explain concepts, figuring everything in Packet Tracer, and show how VLANs propagate across switches. So let's start. We will open a Packet Tracer app. So in this video, we have taken 4 switches. One switch we have created server switch, and 2 switches we have taken as a client switch, and one switch we have taken as a transparent switch. So what is VTP? VTP is a VLAN trunking protocol. Like it helps to manage VLANs in large network. Suppose we are configuring VLAN on server switch, it automatically copy the VLANs in client switches. It skips transparent switch. So why we use transparent? Like when we use transparent in between two client switches, it will forward the VLANs, but didn't copy the VLANs in this switch. So there are three types of mode of like VTP modes. Like first is server mode, second is client mode, and transparent mode. Server mode can create, modify, delete VLANs, sends VLAN into another switches, saves VLAN in NVRAM, and client mode cannot create VLANs, receive VLAN information from VTP server, and does not save VLANs after reboot. And transparent mode is also very useful. It does not participate in VTP updates, does not receive or send VLAN updates, but forwards VTP advertisements to others, can create VLANs locally. So let's connect with our cables. So we have taken 4 switches. Switch This switch is a VTP server. This is a client. This is a transparent switch, and this one is also a client. So we will also have to keep in mind that all the cables are in should be in all links are in trunk mode, trunk cable. Now we will change all these port to the trunk port. So we have to configure in each switches. So open the CLI. This is on access port. We will have to change to the trunk port. Enter, enable, go to the config terminal. Now we will up this port interface, fast Ethernet 0/1. Enter, switch port mode, trunk. Now it is changed to switch port, trunk. Now we have to do it no shutdown. No shutdown. Let's check. Now you can see. So we have to do all the same process in all switches. So this switch is using two ports, one and two. This one is also using two ports. This one is using only one ports. So same here, we will configure the switch client switch 1. Enter, enable mode. Enter, go to the config terminal. config terminal, enter, interface range. We have to take the range because of two ports, fast ethernet 0/1 dash 2, enter, switch port, mode, trunk, enter, no, shutdown, switch port, trunk, encapsulation. So we have done all the these two ports up in a trunk mode. Now same process in this switch. Go to the CLI, enter, enter, enable, enter. Go to the config terminal, interface, fast ethernet 0/1 to 2. Enter. Sorry, we have to take the range. Interface range because we are selecting two ports. Range. Enter. Switch port, mode, trunk. So it got up. No, shutdown. Enter. Only remaining one is this one. Go to the CLI, enter. Same process. This one is having only one port. We have to enable, config, terminal, enter, enter, interface, fast ethernet, because we are not taking range here because of this is only this one is having only one port, 0/1, switch port, mode, trunk, enter, no, shutdown, enter. So it got up. Now we will do the VTP configuration in all four switches. First we have to make it server switch as a server and client switches as a client. So we'll go to this. We have to configure it in config terminal only. So we will make VTP domain. Domain means we are giving the name for this. So we are giving shabby. VTP domain shabby. Now you can clearly see changing VTP domain name from null to shabby. Now we will give the password. VTP password Cisco Cisco 123. Now we are giving the password to the all we will give same password to the all switches and same name, domain name. So enter, and we have to configure the mode, VTP mode server. So you can clearly see device mode already VTP server, but we have to configure once again. Now we have to configure the client switches and transparent switch. Same, but the mode will be changed. We have to give same domain name, same password. Click here, enter, exit, go to the config terminal, VTP, domain, VTP domain, shabby, enter, VTP, password. What we have keep password? Cisco 123. Enter and mode. VTP mode client. Now we have to configure in this. So we will keep this switch as a transparent switch. It will not copy the VLANs but forward it to the another client switch. First exit, go to the config terminal, VTP domain, shabby, enter, VTP password Cisco 123, enter, VTP mode transparent, TV mode transparent. So it changes to VTP transparent. Now we'll have to keep this as a client mode. Cut here, go to exit first, config terminal, VTP domain, shabby, VTP password Cisco 123, enter, VTP mode client, enter. Now we will configure the VLANs in server switch. It will automatically copy the VLANs in all client switches except transparent. Now we will create the VLANs in this switch. First we will see there is VLANs or not. First we will exit, go to the privilege mode, exit, show VLAN, show VLAN brief. So we can see here there is no VLAN created. Now we will create the VLAN here. Go to the config terminal. We will create three VLANs. Config terminal. We will create VLAN 10 as a HR department. VLAN 10 name HR. Enter. VLAN 20 accounts. Enter. Sorry, we have to exit. Go to the config terminal. VLAN 20 accounts. Enter. Sorry, VLAN 20. We have to create a VLAN 20 after we have to give the name. VLAN 20, enter, name, accounts. VLAN 30, enter, name, ID. Now we will check the VLANs are created or not in this server switch. Once again exit. Show VLAN brief. You can see here 3 VLANs is created only in this server switch. Now it will automatically copy to the client switch and another client switch. It will not copy in a transparent switch. Transparent switch, like uh, it is a it takes the VLAN but forward to the client switch. It will not copy in that switch. Now we will check that in client switch the VLANs are copy or not. To verify that, go to the client switch. First exit, show VLAN brief. So you can see here, we will not configure the VLANs here. It will automatically configure here. VLAN 10, 20, 30 for HR accounts IT. You will also see here, it will not copy here because it is transparent mode. Exit, show VLAN brief. You can see there is no VLAN created because this is a transparent mode. VTP mode transparent. From server, it copied to the client, it forward to the transparent but didn't copy in a transparent switch but forward to the client switch. We can also see here. First exit, same command, show VLAN brief. You can see here the VLANs are created in client to switch. So this is the use of VTP. To save the time, we don't have to configure VLANs in a single switch. We have to create only this switch as a server. It will automatically copy the VLANs in client switches. So it will save your time. In real life, it is used in data center like where enterprise level, where the 10 to 20 switches are used. It centralized VLAN management from core switch. This was a complete VTP demonstration using 4 switches. If you want more networking labs, comment the next topic. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.